Alright, this is for the Honda Trail 55. I'm disassembling it right now, seeing how she goes. As far as I can tell, no one's done it this... Oop, that was barking spiders right there. No one's ever shot a disassembly on YouTube of this specific motor. So we're gonna do it. I'm like, yeah, whatever. Make sure that these tappets are loose. You know. Best thing I could tell anybody is to drain it first, because that took forever. I took these head bolts out, or loosened them anyway. And you want to drop that on the ground. Hopefully this is a pushrod motor, which means the cams on the bottom it's pushing up. How well are we doing? Not very well, huh? Sorry. And lo and behold, it's a pushrod motor, which is awesome. Because, well, let's be honest, it's a pushrod motor. Taking the old gasket off. But I can pull these off now, I suppose. I should have marked it, but I didn't. This side's up. See that? The motor seems like it's really good still. Minus the compression, but whatever. Gotta grab some pig mats. I like pig mats. Keep everything clean. And so now we have to take these. Some people like super duper care about which way they go in. I'm not that guy. So this is the head right here. Look at that. I've never seen this before in my life, so really cool and interesting. And as far as I can tell, this is a non-interference fit engine, so even if the push rods were whatever, it would still not hurt the piece. This is exhaust, this is the intake. So yeah, now I gotta pull this part off. I'm kind of nervous about that, because let's face it, I'm not that guy. I'm not seeing any giant bolts or anything like that, so break out the dead blow hammer. Oh, you're just all over the place. Okay, I always like to wear gloves. Kind of funny story. I'm not a big fan of touching oil with my hands because it gets on my hands, and I got oily hands, and I touch paperwork, and so I just use gloves. Anyway, so knocking it back and forth, should be able to free it up. And that is really old. Like varnish old. But tried and true, man. That's the story of the Honda. I've never torn apart something this dinky, but it's really cool. Literally, this is the head. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I don't know if you're seeing it. So yeah, I gotta polish that. Take off these compression rings. Okay, so the first two are compression rings. They're actual compression rings, literally for the compression reasons. I like to space them 180 degrees opposed from each other, because if they're both side by side, here I'll show you in a minute. This thing just reeks of varnish, but when it's on the piston, I always like to put them offset of each other. So what happens is air goes in one side and it has to move all the way to the opposite side to go down, which gives you better compression. I think, I guess. I don't know, but that's where how I do it. Then you have the, oh, I broke it, oil control ring. This oil control ring is actually, I know is bad prior to me breaking it, but this oil control ring slides up and down on this piston and make sure that there's only like it essentially just tries to get all of the oil off off the top. Anyway, there you go. This is the disassembly. My thoughts is I'll spray it down, get those ordered. The two rings, hone, that thing complete, and go from there. I didn't think it would be this easy, to be honest with you. I actually just kind of enjoying it. I didn't think I would, but enough about me. Again, this is the head. So I'm thinking I'll get a spring compressor and pull these out and push, probably have a machine shop redo that. See that? That is carbon buildup from pretty much not getting your valves not getting your whole engine to where it needs to be. But anyway, that's another day, another dollar, I guess. So that was fun. Kind of want to do it again, I won't lie. If you have any questions, comments, I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, this is going to be my little project. It's fun. But yeah. Alright. See you guys later. Bye.